welcome back to another video. So you can't see it. Could you see it? I don't know. If you could see it, I'll blur it out. So I've had a nice pink package turn up, which means it's from Varnail. So I have just stopped recording what I was doing to open this. I know what it is, but I don't know what's in it. So this is a Christmas... I don't think it's a mystery box as such, because it shows you what you get in it on the website. So let me get this open. Oh, look guys, look at the pink bubble wrap. I love it. Look at this, guys. How cute is that? It's a proper Christmas box. I love that. So shall we see what's inside it? Guys, before I open it, I've got a massive 30% off code. Go and check it out. I'll leave it in the description box. Let's have a look. I'm going to have to move my light a minute, so it might get a little bit dark. Oh wow, look. I love this. We've got more. Oh my gosh, I love this. You know, when you get a little bit of everything. Right, shall we just start taking things out? Let me bring my light back. Oh man, I don't know where to start. Right guys, we're going to start with glitter. I've had to do a voiceover because the video just got so long. There's so much stuff in this box. So, first glitter. These are huge pots, by the way. So this is a super fine, like white, transparent, holographic. I really struggled to show you the holographic. It is stunning. So I'm just going to get the camera to focus on my pinky like that. And if you look at the glitter in the background, can you see it? How pretty is that? Beautiful for snow nails, icicle nails. I love that, and it's a huge pot. It's hard to see the size of the pots in my hand, and it's got a name, Colourful White. So I'm just showing you in comparison. So these are the standard little pots that you get from most brands. Just to give you an idea of size, it's double the size, isn't it? It's huge, and I will use that a hell of a lot. So we've got another glitter. What's this one called? Merry Christmas, everyone. So this has got a red and a gold ultra fine, and then it's got some Christmas tree sequins, big stars, little stars, all different colour stars, and then it's got gold, red and green, all different size little dots in there that you could maybe use, I don't know, you could use them as snowflakes or something. And it's got little matte white snowflakes in there. Really cute little pot. So we've got two huge pots of glitter. I love all this with Varnail. All this little extra touches with the packaging and stuff makes it so much more special, doesn't it? I love that. Packaging's a lot with me. So we've got a pot of foils. I've never had foils in a little clip pot like this. I love it. So these are black with silver holographic little pictures on them, and you get 10 in this pack, and I measured them and they are 70 centimetres each. That's got reindeers, snowflakes, Christmas presents. This one's got little elves on it, and Christmas presents. Look at that holographic. I liked this one. It's Christmas trees and little 4-pronged stars. This one's just full of all different shapes and sizes of snowflakes. And this one, it says Merry Christmas, stockings, baubles, gingerbread man, candy canes. We've got little mitts, all sorts on that one. Look at the colours. I liked this one. It's got stars and Christmas trees and all stuff like that on it. That's a cute one. It's hard to see the patterns with all that colourful hollow. I couldn't work out what this one was at first, but it's little angels with that little fluty thing that they do. And then we've got this one again. This one's got snowflakes on it. And then last, I think this is the, oh no, there's one more after this. Again, that one's full of all sorts. Little bit of everything on that one. And lastly, again, a little bit of everything on that one. Got holly leaves on that one. You can see them better on that side, look. Can you see? You can see the patterns so much better on that side. I actually prefer this side. Right. So yeah, you get 10 of them in a pack, 70 centimetres. And then we've got another little pot of foils. Look at this little clip as well, so you can hang it up. So I realised that these white foils are exactly the same as the ones I've just showed you, except they are transparent and white. I think I preferred these white ones actually. So yeah, they're all the same, but you can see the patterns. I think I'll get more use out of these white ones. I can see me using these white ones a lot more. You can see them so much better, can't you? So just have a quick flick through them. And guys, I've got a massive 30% off code for yous for Varnail. 30%, I will leave it in my description box, or it'll be pinned in my comments with a link to the website. Yeah, take advantage of that. Varnail. They've got some really cool... They've got other little mystery boxes and stuff, I think, with all sorts of little bits and bobs in them. A little bit of everything on that website. It's a really good, fun website to scroll through. So go over and have a nosy. So yeah, I like them. You'll see me talking with my hands a lot in this video, because I did originally speak through it, but I've had to voice it over because it was so long. So what else is in the box? Come on, Ags, where are you? Oh, we got some stickers. So these are brilliant. For people that are not so good or just starting out and they can't do sweater nail pattern and stuff, these are fantastic. 3D embossed. Look at the little bob hats. Love them. I love the colour as well, actually. Then we've got these ones. We've got baubles and gifts. They're nice to just hang down the middle of a nail. We've got little penguins and snowmen. Cute. I liked these ones. I really like these ombre snowflakes. They'll be nice on a pinky purple set, won't they? Little sweets. Cute. And then lastly for the stickers, we've got this one. I would make them baubles at the top. I would turn them into 3D ones with a builder gel on them or something. So we've got 4 packs of stickers as well. Really, really well put together little Christmas box this. I love it. So we've got some blingage. So the gems in these are glass. These green ones and red ones. They're glass gems. Very sparkly, all different sizes. And these transparent clear ones are little pointy back ones. They're great for doing little clusters and stuff. And then we've got some stars. These stars are a mixture. They've got some AB ones. That's AB. But they've also got some like champagne-y kind of coloured ones. I haven't got any of that colour, so I was really happy with them. They're cute. And they're not so big either. Not very big. And then we've got some little dicky balls like AB, 4-pronged stars, normal stars, caviar beads, snowflakes. And then we've got full pearls and half pearls. Cute. Love it. Then, oh my god guys, wait and see these. How cute are they? Gold snowflakes with a super sparkly gem in the middle. They're big, but they're not huge. They would fit snug on your middle nail, and they are curved, so they would sit pretty flat. Although they've got a big gem stuck on them, they'd sit relatively flat. And then we've got, again, these are curved little Christmas trees. I haven't got any Christmas tree charms, so I was buzzing with them. And then we have got, look at these snowflakes. These are pointy back. Not sure what I would do with them, but they are very, very pretty, aren't they? Look at the sparkle on them. Gorgeous. And then these are stunning. They've got like a purple, blue colour shift going on. And they're flat back. They're not pointy back. They're flat back. Aren't they cute? They are big, but they're quite slim. So I think you get away with that on a middle nail or something. I think I'm going to use them on a set and put it on the middle nail. So that's all the bling. And then we've also got one of their oval brushes. Their brushes are fantastic. They're such good quality. They're so soft. They don't leave streaks in your gels. They've got a lid, which I love. And then I saw this little box. Guys, look. Little gingerbread man ring. It's got a little gingerbread man on there. It's got a little gingerbread house. Look. Christmas present. Blessing. And it's resizable. So you could put it on any finger and it'd fit. Isn't that adorable? In a cute little pink box. I loved that. I really, really like that a lot. I loved everything about this box. Really well put together. Exciting little thing. So now we've got some foil transfer gel in a big 15ml bottle. Curious to try that. I smelt it and it smells just like my other foil gels. They've got a really distinct smell to them, haven't they, foil gels? Good ones anyway. And it smells like a good one. So we'll try that at some point. And then we've got Focus on Me, which is a reflective gel. I've just recently swatched some reflective gels, and the difference with this one is the glitter particles in it are so much finer than some of the other reflective gels that I've swatched recently. Ultra fine little glitter particles in this one, and it's like a jelly colour. I think I do give it 2 coats. Isn't that pretty? Super sparkly for New Year, Christmas, perfect. And now we have got Fireworks Stick. This is like a rose gold, but it's got holographic tiny dots in it. Beautiful. I think that would look stunning over a pink, wouldn't it? I like that. I will show you these closer at the end. Very pretty that, isn't it? I like it. And then we've got Christmas Gold, which is a liner gel. Wait and see this go on, this swatch stick, guys. Absolutely jam-packed full of shimmer. Just one little swipe across the nail and it's, yeah, just full cover. You don't have to piss about, keep going over it to get the colour to be strong. Look at that. It's a good one, isn't it? I like it. Super shimmery, super gold. I like it a lot. Gosh, this box just keeps on giving, doesn't it? Right, so we've got 2 solid gel polishes, and this one is called Summer Water. This is going to be fantastic for icicle nails. So it's like a blue shimmer, but it's got bluey greeny colour shifting like shards in there that looks like chunks of ice. It's one of them you will have to pitter patter about with it like that. And because it's a transparent base, you can get away with putting this on in clear, in thick layers, because it's clear, it will cure. Look at it. It gives it depth and texture. Can you see them shards kind of floating around in there? I love that. So this one is a solid gel polish. It's called Glitter Red. And this is not holographic or iridescent. It's just a pure metallic sparkle. It's very pretty. Again, I'll give that a second coat and I'll show you better at the end. Stunning Christmas glittery sparkly gel polish. And this one again is a, what do you call them, solid cream. And it's just your standard Christmas green. It has got a little bit of a shimmer in it because the shimmer was stuck to my brush, but it is just a cream green. Right, so that is the glitter red and the green. Beautiful. And that's all the others. Look at that. Super sparkly, super colourful and holographic. I am so impressed with this box. Overall, fantastic little Christmas box, isn't it, guys? Anyway, that is it for today. A bit of a long one. Can you imagine how long it would have been if I didn't voice it over? Gosh. Anyway, yeah. Discount code, website will all be in my description box. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. And hopefully, I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.